class, this is Professor Thompson, and I wanted to record a video explaining the group project. So when you open the class website, or better yet, when you log into the course website, of course, the first page you will see will be the announcement section. And so you will um, use the link assignments on the navigation panel here. You will scroll down to the folder that says Group Presentation Project Assignment. And here you will find all of the information that you need to complete the group project. So one of the very first things you need to do that you need to find your group, and so for your course, depending on the course, you may have anywhere 5 to 7 groups. So locate your name on the group, and these are the individuals you will contact for your group project. So all you need to do, I'm just going to work on, use group 1 as an example. You just click on the link when you find your name. And so here are your group members. And so your group, you all can start a discussion on you can create a thread and start a discussion on your group project. Let's see. And you can upload files. And there are a whole host of things that you can do with your group. So you can exchange files. Oh yes, and there's a feature where you can email members of your group. And only so with the group here, only the people within the groups will get this information. And I may post some information on your discussion board pertaining to your group. So what I would like for you all to start doing is to start brainstorming and use the discussion board feature to talk about a group project. And so that's how you all can communicate with each other in the group. Okay. Now, so we'll return to assignments here. We'll scroll down to group presentation project. If for some reason your name does not appear in any of the groups, please let me know right away and I can assign you to a group. One other thing, if there is someone in the group who is not responding within a week or so, please let me know and I will check my roster to see if that person is still assigned to a group. The other thing I wanted to inform you about is that if you have a group member who is not participating, please let me know and I will assign that person to give a solo presentation. Everyone in the group must make a contribution to the product. If they do not, then they give a solo presentation or they just get an F. So this is not an opportunity for people to free ride off of the hard work of other students in the class. Okay, and here is the group project rubric. And we'll open that up. And so please take time to read the rubric because this is how you will be evaluated. Okay, so your first task that I will require you to do is to select a topic. And you should be meeting with your group and deciding on a topic for your group presentation. Your topic can include um, something on race, gender. You can talk about social class mobility in American society. You can do a topic on maybe race and crime, but it has to be related to a diversity issue. And so if you and so what I like for the group to do is to select a topic and have just one person from the group um, submit the topic selection, what your topic is, by filling out all of this information here. So the first thing is meet with your group, and then the group work through the topic selection exercise here. After you complete the topic selection exercise, and I will give you feedback on it. After I approve of your topic, then the next thing what the group will do is they'll start working on the group presentation assignment. And here are the question prompts for the group presentation assignment. And everyone, as I said, everyone has to participate in the group. And your presentation, it will include annotation either on the slides or the notes of the PowerPoint. And to make that a little clearer, I have a PowerPoint here. And so this is the title page, of course. And then this is the content page of your PowerPoint. And to find the notes, what you can do is you will look at, let's see, view, and then click on notes page. So click on view in the menu, and then the notes page. And you can, of course, enlarge this. Okay. And you can type notes. You can type your notes there. And so that's what you can do. Because you are not giving the PowerPoint presentation orally, in order for me to understand your topic, you will want to include notes. You can't put everything in the slides itself, so the group will have to utilize the notes. Okay. Now, okay, so the format you can use the American Sociological Association format. If your group decides they want to use another style format, that is fine. All I ask is that you stay consistent and you use that format style properly. Any videos you want to include, you can include videos. It should be restricted to 3 to 4 minutes in length, okay? And students often ask, well, how many slides should I have? There should be at least a minimum of 15 slides for the PowerPoint presentation, and you can go over that amount. Okay, and as I said, every student in the class must make a meaningful contribution to the group presentation. And if there is a member of the group, if they are not participating, email me immediately, and I will either ask that student to start participating to find out why they're not doing it, and if not, then that student will give a solo presentation or they will receive a failing grade. The following is an outline of the group presentation. First, you will give an introduction. You will provide an overview of the presentation. Your next step will be to provide a historical overview of the case study, explain the social problem, and you should explain it in a way that that someone does not really have access to that information. Explain it in a way as if someone does not know what it is. Then you're going to apply a sociological theory, and then the next thing you'll do is the social remedy proposal. You're going to recommend a solution to the problem. Then there's the conclusion and a works cited page. Now, with the works cited page, you have to use scholarly references and reputable journalistic newspapers. And so any sources such as Wikipedia, blogs, opinion pieces, those are prohibited. All right, so they have to be reputable journalistic newspapers and scholarly references. Okay, and the group will decide or select one person to upload the PowerPoint presentation to the Dropbox. Okay, and so here are your group members again. Make sure you identify your group members. You're going to use a classical sociological theory. And here is your textbook discusses at various times functionalism, conflict theory, and interactionist theory. And so these are the three theories that that are available. You only have to select one of the theories to apply to your case study in your PowerPoint, not all three. So select only one theory. Okay, and let's return. Okay, go to assignments and group project. Okay, so you'll have your classical sociological theory, and that is really it. Okay, so the first step is that you want to select your topic. After I approve your topic, then your group will start putting together the actual PowerPoint. Okay, well, if you have any questions, please email me. I am available to discuss your group project via email, or if your group would like to schedule a virtual office meeting using Microsoft Teams or Zoom, I'm available to do that as well. Okay, have a good day now.